All right, not going to keep you long today. We're going to make some hummus, but with avocado. Nice avo hummus. I really love this. Quick and easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. We're going to make some really simple, beautiful hummus with some avocados. I've got 2 cans there of cooked, obviously, chickpeas. Gave them a nice wash, drained them off. They're ready to go. If you want, you can boil your own. Tahina or tahini, sesame seed paste, olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice. Now, the amounts of these can completely, well, you can just decide what you want to do. Some people like a lot of tahina, like me. Some people like a lot of garlic, you know, blah, blah, blah. You can just really adjust these 4 things. Salt and pepper, that's about it. Food processor time. So here, I've got my food processor, and I've popped in the chickpeas. I'm now going to add the garlic. I'm adding like a tablespoon of garlic. Lemon juice. Maybe there's like 4 tablespoons there. Again, like I say, you can adjust it how you like. Olive oil. And tahina or tahini. And like I say, I like quite a lot of that. Some people like less. I'm going to add some salt, black pepper. Some people don't put black pepper in hummus, but I like a little bit in there. In fact, I like a little bit and a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that on for about just like 3 or 4 minutes. I'm not going to do it here because it's going to shake the life out of this table and the camera. Okay, so I've got myself a nice little bit of hummus there. Now, it's quite thick. I quite like it like that. That's perfect for me. If you want it thinner, what you can do is get a bit of water in there. Okay, I'm now going to throw in avos. So I've got 5 avocados there. Nice and ripe. Very simply, 2 more minutes. Giving it a whiz. Okay, and there you go. What I've done is just drizzled some olive oil on the top. A little bit of sumac on there, just for a little bit of colour. Now, play around with it. Add more lemon, add more garlic, add less garlic, add more tahina. Da. You get the picture, don't you? Super easy. I love that. Get your toast ready. Lots of love.